Hello and welcome to the new section, Faster Java. Benefit from what happens under the hood to improve the performance of your application. This video is all about garbage collectors in Java, or what influences the performance of your app without you writing any code. We will start with a high-level overview of the new and noteworthy in garbage collection in the recent versions of Java. Then we will focus on the new default garbage collector, Garbage First. After that, we will review the new garbage collector algorithms, which were only implemented recently. One of the reasons Java remains the most popular programming language is its automatic memory management. It means that as developers, we don't have to worry about explicit memory allocation and deallocation. The garbage collector, which works in the background, destroys the unused objects for us. Java chooses a default garbage collector for us, but of course, we can override it using the virtual machine arguments. Garbage First, also commonly known as G1, was available before Java 9, but it wasn't the default choice. The default garbage collector in Java 8 was the parallel collector. Java 9 changes it. In Java 9, G1 becomes the default garbage collector. In Java 10, G1 gets an upgrade. The full garbage collection is made parallel, thus improving its worst-case latencies. Java 11, the latest long-term support release, ships the Epsilon GC, a no-op garbage collector. In addition to Epsilon, an initial version of ZGC made available. Java 12 releases Shenandoah GC, which gains some traction, and some people call it a rising star. We will talk more about it in video 4 of this section. Now let's go through these changes one by one. As you already know, Garbage First G1 was present in Java 8, and we could already use it with the help of VM arguments. So what's the big deal? The big deal in Java 9 is that it's now used by default, and if you don't override the defaults, it may change the performance of the app without you knowing it. Hopefully in a good way, but who knows. Garbage First got its name because it reclaims the space in the areas that are mostly filled with the garbage first. Starting from Java 10, whole heap operations are performed concurrently with the application threads, and it improves full GC times. So G1 should work better in Java 10. G1 is targeted for multiprocessor machines with a large amount of memory. Epsilon was introduced in Java 11 and is the most unusual garbage collector ever. Why? Because it doesn't collect any garbage at all. Yes, it handles memory allocation, but it doesn't implement any actual memory reclamation mechanism. Once the available Java heap is exhausted, the JVM will shut down. While it sounds quite useless, it is actually maybe useful, for example for testing such as performance testing or memory pressure testing. When no garbage is collected, GC will not influence your testing. A use case in production code is for extremely short-lived jobs. It's quite a rare case, so as a rule of thumb, don't use Epsilon in production unless you absolutely know what you are doing. Fine-tuning of the garbage collector is a cumbersome process, but it can make your application fly. Each new Java version provides a major enhancement. In Java 9, it was a new default choice for the garbage collector. In later versions, it was new garbage collector algorithms, such as Shenandoah or ZGC. While not all of us need to know all the details and internals of garbage collection, we should at the very least be aware of the changes to avoid surprises, either good or bad.